Ayun, so magandang araw po sa ating mga kabayan Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao and OFWs and immigrants. So magbibigay update lang po tayo mga kabayan tungkol sa pagkatapos ng bagyong Odette. No, yung total affected po ng pamilya is umaabot po ng 56,240 and total partially mga kabayan is umaabot ng 20,948 at total damage umaabot ng 24,523. So napakarami, no? Mas marami pa po ang na-damage. At siyempre sa mga dumako tayo sa injury mga kabayan. Total injury po is umaabot ng 88 at nanguna po dito yung Barangay Aurora na may 12 at Bonifacio 7, Danawan 7, Libuak 10 at Alessandra 5, Nabaco 15. So ito po yung mga binabanggit natin is a part of barangays. At Washington 3, Quezon, Barangay Quezon is 15, Mabini is 4 at mga kabayan, so sa casualties is umabot po ng 4. So unang-una dito yung Cagneyog is nakatala ng 1, Libuak 1, Canlanipa 1, San Juan 1. So umabot lamang po ng 4 mga kabayan. So ito lamang ay status report no na update lang sa ngayong araw mga kabayan. Kung isa-isahin naman natin mga kabayan, every barangays, no, especially sa island, no, alang-alang, total family is 136 and partial damage is 33. 103 naman po ang totally damage. Alessandra is a part of island, 192. Partially damage is 0. 175 po total damage. So naubos po talaga ang bahay. Anomar, so mainland po ng 665 family at 68 partially and 485 total damage. So sa island is Aurora 310 families and 7 po ang partial at 278 total damage. At barangay Balibayon, no, is a part of mainland na may pamilya po na nasa 800 and total damage is umabot po ng 700 and partial damage is 31. Bye-bye. 115 families and total damage is 45. Partial damage is 60 and Barangay Bilabid, total of 70 families and 68 total damage and partial damage is 2. Barangay Bitawgan, part of island, is a total of 636 families and total damage is 92 and 41 partial damage. At Barangay Bonifacio is a part of mainland na umaabot ng 1,048. Total damage is 173 and partial damage is 747. And Barangay Buena Vista is a part of island na umaabot po ng 365 families and total damage is umaabot ng 466 and partial damage is 90. Barangay Kabungan is a part of mainland na umaabot ng 250 families and 68 total damage and 135 partial damage. Barangay Cagneyog is a part of mainland na umaabot ng 3,510 families. Total damage is 2,457 and partial damage is 1,053. Kagitsan is a part of island na umaabot ng 130 and total damage is 99. Partial damage is 8. No, Barangay Canlanipa is a part of mainland na may pamilya na 3,324. No, total damage is 984 and partial damage is 1,827. No, Barangay Kantiasay is a part of island na 260 families and total damage is 182 and partial damage is 78. No? Kapalayan is a part of mainland, 820 families and total damage is 656. No? And partial damage 164. Yan. Katadman is a part of island, 125 families and total damage is 45, partial damage is 60. Barangay Danau. Ha? Danau lang mainland. Is a part of 187 families and total damage 143 and partial damage is 36. And Barangay Danawan is a part of island, 170 families and 158 total damage, 10 partial damage. Dayasan is a part of mainland, 780 families and total damage is 520 and partial damage is 130. No, Barangay Ipil, part of mainland is 1,357 and 950 total damage and 407 partial damage. At Barangay Libuak is a part of island, 350 families at 235 total damage and 9 partial damage. Barangay Lipata is 1,000 families and 711 total damage and 79 partial damage. Barangay Lisondra is a part of island, 414 no families and 329 total damage is and partial damage is 85. Barangay Luna is a part of mainland is 4,012 families. No, so no record about partial damage and total damage. So Barangay Mabini is a part of mainland, 3,250 families and partial damage is 144 and total damage is 580. And Barangay Mabua is a part of mainland is 838. Total damage is 340 and 370 partial damage. And Manchagao is a part of island, 286. No, total damage is 128 and partial damage is 104. Yan. Barangay Mapawa is a part of mainland, 468 and total damage is 234 and partial damage and 234. Mat-A is a part of mainland is 1,802 and total damage is 1,246 and partial damage is 312. Barangay Mabago is a part of mainland, 429 and total damage is 228 and partial damage is 72. No, Barangay Nonok is a part of island is total damage is a total of families 400. Zero information about partial damage and total damage. Barangay Orok is a part of mainland is 400 families and 365 total damage and 338 partial damage. Barangay Poktoy is a part of mainland, 650 families and 150 total damage and 446 partial damage. Punta Velar is a part of mainland, 435 families and zero information about total damage and partial damage. Barangay Quezon sa part of mainland, 788 and total damage is 400. Partial damage is 388. At Barangay Rizal is a part of mainland, 814 families and 325 total damage, 489 partial damage. Barangay Savang is a part of mainland, 1,700 families and 1,160 total damage and 290 partial damage. And Barangay Isidro is a part of mainland, 250 families and 69 total damage and 93 partial damage. No, San Isidro sa part of mainland, 250 families and 69 total damage and partial damage is 93. Barangay San Jose is a part of island, 420 and 200 partial damage and 390 total damage. And Barangay San Juan is a part of mainland, 4,917 families, and total damage is 418, and partial damage 2,903, no? At San Pedro is a part of island, 270 families and 247 total damage, and 5 partial damage. Barangay San Roque is a part of mainland, 600 families and 160 total damage, and 326 partial damage. No, Serna Im, no, is a part of mainland, 400 families and 347 total damage, and 39 partial damage. Barangay Sidlacan is a part of island, 130 families and 90 total damage, and 5 partial damage. Barangay Silop is a part of mainland, Barangay Barangay Silop is 969 families and 150 total damage, and 173 partial damage. Sogvi, no, is a part of island, 264 families and 28 partial damage, and 112 total damage. And Sukay lang is a part of mainland, 400 families and 219 partial damage, and 146 total damage, no. Barangay Tap is a part of mainland, 6,155 families and 4,450 partial damage, 3,617 total damage. Barangay Talisa is a part of island, 600 families and 255 partial damage, 88 total damage. Barangay Tugbungon is a part of mainland, 670 families is 195 partial damage, 455 total damage. Barangay Trinidad is a part of mainland, is 855 families and 359 is a part of partial damage, and 339 total damage. Barangay Washington is a part of mainland, 5,804 total families and 3,533 partial damage, and 1,903 total damage. And Barangay Saragosa is a part of island, 2,050 families and 953 total damage, and 53 partial damage. So yun lamang po mga kabayan, ano ang information na meron tayo sa ngayong araw. At maraming po salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay, at maraming po salamat sa nagpatid ng tulong sa iba-iba pong sektor, iba-iba pong mga lugar na kalapit dito, at siyempre sa Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao, and OFWs and immigrants. Thank you so much po sa inyong tulong na binahagi po sa ating mga kabayan, especially na salanta ng bagyong Odette, dahil nga po history po ang nangyari dahil sa tagal-tagal na po na dumaan, sa dami ng bagyo na dumaan. Bukod tangil lang din po na ang bagyong Odette sa ngayon po ay nanguna, no, dahil talagang marami po ang nawalan ng bahay, especially kawawa, no, yung mga island, dahil sa hindi pa masyado naabot ng tulong, no, at mostly nasa syudad pa. So sana mapansin din, no, especially yung mga nabanggit. Kaya maraming po salamat sa inyo mga kabayan, at sana po ipagdasal natin ang sitwasyon ng mga kabayan natin, especially sa nasalanta ng bagyo, no. At again, kung gusto niyo po magpahatid ng tulong, especially sa mga lumang damit, no, pwede niyo pong makipag-ugnayan sa lungsod ng Surigao City, at pwede rin nyo po kaming i-message sa Facebook page, Rover Adventures Vlog. At again, maraming po salamat. God bless po sa inyo lahat.